Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling service where you can get shoes, clothing, scarves, jewelry, and they send you 5 pieces. If you buy all 5, you get 25% discount. If you use my link below, you can get $25 towards your first fix, which I think is awesome. Try it out, see if you like it. If you don't like anything, you send it all back. It's worry free. So in the box, I have shoes. I haven't gotten shoes in forever. And then I have clothing. And then you have your style card, price sheet, and a return bag to send back any items that you don't want. So here is my style card. And it looks like I have another new stylist. So this is crazy. It says, Kristen, thank you for making a request for this fix. Unfortunately, those Pistola shorts were unavailable in an alternate wash this year round because I like the white Pistola shorts that I got in my previous fixes, one of them, and I wanted it in a different color instead of white, and they didn't have it. However, I was able to get my hands on a pair of STS blue shorts to try. These can be mixed and matched with the knit tops included. I have a non-floral maxi dress, and since you do not like floral, I took a peek into my rompers and had none available. That stinks. As an alternative, I selected a neutral cropped jumpsuit finish with sandals. Enjoy, Blake Lindsay. So I don't know if that's a guy or a girl, but we'll see what this looks like. Yeah, so let's get into it. First of all, let's do the shoes. Alrighty, so here is the first pair. These are Steve Madden. So what I'm gonna do is try one of these on and see if I like it. So let's see. So here it is without the paper. It's a different kind of shoe. I don't own anything like this. I never really go towards silver. I usually do like a tan or a black in this type of shoe. So let's see what those are called. Get my sheet out. And these, oh, there's a tag on it. Okay, so that's the Steve Madden Desi leather strappy sandal in a size 8, and the color is silver. Okay, so let's get into the bundle. All right, throw this over here. And on the try-on, you'll see the items on the side. If you'd like anything we have that I have here, you can ask your stylist for it. Okay, so the first item are these boyfriend shorts, and they are mid-rise, and they're by STS Blue. These are cute. I actually have something like this, so I don't know if I have these. These are the STS Blue Eleonora mid-rise short in blue. No distressing, nothing on the back. Super cute, very basic. We'll see if I like them. They're nice. I have a ton of shorts though, so we'll see. Okay, next is this top. Just says love on it. And you can see it has some striping. And this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. And this is the Good High Human Gladys Cotton Blend Love Graphic Knit top in off-white. So it is an off-white color. That'd be cute with the jean shorts. But yeah, just a tank. Next we have is this jumpsuit. It has a tie front in the front. This is just not me at all, so I know I'm not gonna purchase this. But you never know when things look like when you try them on. So it has pockets, it looks like. It has a keyhole in the back. It's a one piece. It looks like it's 3/4 length. So I'm kind of short, so we'll see if it fits. And last but not least is this yellow knit top that has a little knot on the side. It's cute, plain. So we will see what that looks like. Really soft. And where's the tag? So this is the Panique Minnow knot front knit top in mustard, size extra small. Okay, So what I'm going to do is try everything on for you guys, come back and let you know if I decide to keep anything and my final thoughts. Okay, so I have the shoe on. It's cute, but it's kind of tight around here and here, but they are comfortable. They fit really nice on the foot, but it's not something that I would really go to. They are comfortable though, but when I put my foot down, they are super tight. Yeah, like around here and here. But yeah, they are cute. I'll show you guys. But they're really not my style. Okay, the first item we have are these shorts. These fit really nice. They're super cute. I have 2 pairs of STS blue shorts, so I was hoping for something with some more distressing, but I do like these. I do like the cut. They are comfortable. They fit really nice. They're a little bit big in the back, but that's okay. So yeah, I mean, here they are a little bit more up close. I like how they're frayed at the bottom and not just like a pull over like that. These are nice. Okay, next we have is this top. This is just a plain top. You could tuck it in. It does come down a little bit farther here, more than I would like, but it is super cozy. It has the little love symbol on it, and it fits nice. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think down below of these 2 items. I do like the shorts though. They're super nice and cozy. Okay, next is this top. I feel like I've gotten this top in a different color, and it's just very plain. It has the knot on the side. It sits nicely. It's super soft. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's pretty. It goes well with these jean shorts. I feel like this is something I've already purchased or have in my closet, but just in a different color. So let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, next is the jumpsuit. It is super cozy. It has this cute like tie here. It has pockets. In the back it has like a loop. I couldn't button it, but let me bring you guys down, and then you can see that it is kind of like a above the ankle jumpsuit. It does fit really nice. It is super comfortable. This would be something I could wear to work, but I mean, I really wouldn't wear it too much. I don't have any real use for it. It has really wide legs at the bottom. You can wear it with some wedges. I mean, it is cute and comfortable, so we'll see how much it costs. Let me know in the thoughts below what you guys think about the pieces that I received. They're different. All right, guys, let's go over prices. So the first item is these shoes. These are the Steve Madden shoes, and they are $59.95. Unfortunately, I'm not going to keep these. These are not something I would reach for or wear, and they were tight right here and right here, but they were super comfortable if you have a narrow foot, and these would work for you. Next, we have is this jumpsuit here by Kayla. And this is the Kayla Adeline front tie detail knit jumpsuit, and it's $58, and it's in navy. Unfortunately, I really don't have anywhere to wear this, so I'm gonna pass on that. Next we have are the STS blue shorts. I'm on the fence about these because I do own a ton of shorts. So yeah, I'm not sure. These are only $39, so let me know what you guys think. I do like them, but they're not the shorts in the picture from my last fix, so I was kind of bummed about that. This is the yellow top, and it's inside out. So this top in mustard was $34. And I'm gonna pass on this. I feel like I have so much of this kind of stuff in my closet and it's kind of plain and I wanted something that will wow me. This was kind of a wild card, this last tank. It says love on it. And this is, let's see what the brand was on this. This was $38 and I'm also gonna pass on this. I was a little bit disappointed in this fix. It's nothing really wowed me. The shorts were great, but I do have a ton of shorts right now, so I'm looking for something unique, like the ones that I wanted that they didn't send me, the button-up ones. So the total for my box was $228.95. Buy all 5 discount was $57.24. So the total for that fix was $171.71. I'm not going to keep anything this time around. Blake did a great job trying to figure out my style, but I'm more of the younger modern type style, like the crisscross front, and this just did not really capture what I'm looking for. Nothing on here was on my Pinterest board, so I'm not sure what's going on. I'm getting new stylists all the time now, and yeah, this isn't for me. So maybe there's just a learning curve here. They have to look at my Pinterest board, but yeah, try it down below. You click on that link. You never know. It just takes a little bit of time for the stylist to get to know you and your style. So I thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.